Hey everyone, just a quick update on my first video from a few days ago using Minergate software. We're now getting more than double the hash rate put out by Minergate app using the same pool server from Minergate but using it through XMRig. And today I'm going to show you how I set it up on XMRig. It's free to download, but it has a 1% developer fee that apply from mining, and it does it automatically throughout your mine. Again, this one is another quick and easy install, but bear in mind this will use on an 8GB 2020 M1 Mac about 96% of your CPU. So I take no responsibility for any damages that you may cause to your own machine. We're going to go to xmrig.com, come over to the download part and click on download for macOS. We have an M1 chip, so we're going to click M1. Hit download, it will download into our downloads. Here's one I made earlier. So we would double click this, and it's going to open up a second folder and rename it because I've already had that one, so I'm just going to delete that and do it from scratch again to show you. And once you open your config.json file, you come down to where your pools are and you'll see that it's just the default. So if you start currently mining just now, you'll just be given XMRig free mining. And now for this one here, we're going to close this. You don't have to edit this on Mac, you just have to make a new download config. And the best way to do it on xmrig.com, click into wizard and hit start. New configuration, we're going to go new pool, custom pool, and now you want your host. Now your host is the server URL. Bear in mind there is two settings, normal and high. I have never had the high setting working, however on the normal setting I'm getting 2300 hashes without running any other software. So we come back to here, paste in your pool, and same again for your port 45700, and your wallet address in this case for XMRig through the Minergate is your email address. And as you don't need a password, keep alive on. My apologies, can't speak tonight. You don't need your password on there, but specify your coin as Monero, which is XRM, and you want your random X algorithm. Click add pool. It'll ask if you want any other options like graphics cards. If you have that open for graphics cards, I don't have any graphics cards for mining. However, I'm just using the CPU for mining here today. And XMRig already does a 1% donate fee, so just keep it at 1. And then you click your result. You can either copy and paste this into your JSON file, but it's much easier to just download it. And I'm just going to jump back to this one here, go to downloads, get the new config file, pop it into here, and delete the original. And we're just going to take away this -2. And then the magic should happen with just double clicking the terminal. It should open up a new terminal window. And very, very quickly on my Mac, it accepts jobs straight away. And at this point in time, it's not giving me any huge pages just now, but I'm getting tons of pages there. It's using 808 threads from a CPU. And there you can see the XMR pool minergate.com, and it's picked up as me as well. Now I'm going to check the speed I'm currently getting just now. We've accepted 38 jobs already, and the speed we're getting, an 87 millisecond ping, and at the minute just now we're getting 1945. Now remember, the Minergate software itself was about 700 to 800 hash a second on 8 cores, using about 42% of your CPU. Now this uses a fair bit more of your CPU. Here's it before we started, this is it just after we started. However, I am still able to run video editing software and everything on here just now with this running at full pelt. So in my opinion, it's very safe to use. Again, I'm not going to be responsible for anybody's damage to their machines, but this is how you get it working on XMRig, and you get a little bit more for your buck. And just to double check that it's on, yep, back up to 7 miners. Up to 7 miners from the other day there, as I added a Raspberry Pi 3B on there as well. And it should be there. And just for laughs, I'll show you what the speed we're getting. 12.36, however, it is accepting a ton of jobs. And we're on 577 accepted and 1 rejected with an 80 ms ping. It's not too bad, given that it's not costing me a penny. It's plugged into my USB of the computer, so that's mining away as well at the same time. If you liked this video and you found it useful, please like and subscribe, and the next video will be on this matter about a week, and I'll do one in about a month as well, just for a full update of if I've made anything back off this and show you, well, if I have made anything, I'll show you how to withdraw it. Thanks again for watching.